I had a sales rep whose pipeline always had more potential deals in it than anyone else on the team. The problem was that he also had the lowest number of closed deals. For a while, I thought this was because he was attempting to show how much positive activity he had going on. I discovered the sad truth. The customer was telling him one thing, and the rep was hearing what he wanted to hear. I asked him questions like, are you speaking with the decision maker? Do they have budget or can they find it? When do they want to implement our solution? After hearing the answer to these questions, I realized he was somehow convincing himself that he had a good prospect. He had made the leap from hearing, I'm part of a team that's evaluating solution, to I'm the decision maker. As a sales rep, you must be realistic. Good news or bad, you have to hear and face the facts. Sales managers, if your sales rep's pipeline seem out of whack in comparison to their sales, use the questions or similar ones to the above to drill down and find out why.